Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. If you are a subscriber of this channel, you are familiar with this 2004 Lexus GX470. This one is already turned over 300,000 miles and still looks absolutely fantastic. Now today in this video I would like to really touch a little bit on that rear air suspension, right? So the front has a normal struts, right, normal springs, but the rear on these Lexuses has that air suspension. Actually today came for replacement of those air bags, or correctly air springs, right? The dealer diagnosed them that they are bad, so I got original parts. Here you can see this is the left side, the number for the left. Here is original OEM, right? And you see Toyota on it because Toyota 4Runners have that too. So these are those air springs. This is the right one number, right? I will be replacing it in different video. Hopefully it's filmable. But today I would like to show you the differences in that rear. So I put it in the highest setting. Here, this is the control, that up and down. And in the dashboard, you can see down there, it's in the high. So you saw it outside. Let's measure it and see what will be a difference. I will say it looks really nice in the high position, right? And I will be not afraid to go for some mild off-roading. And I will measure the height through the center of the wheel, right? What we got here, 37 inches. Right, and the 1/8, 37 and 1/8 is right now. Without pausing the camera, let's move it to the position which is N as a neutral. So this is what happens. You heard a click, right? We don't hear the pump running. When I was coming from neutral to the highest setting, the air compressor, right, the pump, which is actually on this side, I believe, was running. It made a sound. It was pumping it up, right? Now we are going backwards. So what we got here, center, oh, it's a 35 and 1/8. So we are down 2 inches. Let's try the low setting. Again, I heard a click. Hopefully you too. And the whole vehicle, whole SUV, it's slowly coming down, right? Isn't this amazing? And what we got here? And we have 33.5. Am I doing it correctly through the center? Yeah. 33.5 is the lowest position. Let me put it back to neutral and you can hear that pump. Oh, do you hear it right now actually? So I didn't touch anything, right? But this might be exactly the reason why it's for service here, because it's losing air and the pump, right, and the whole system just find out it was getting too low or the pressure was too low. 33, now it's, yeah, 5/8, so it went tiny bit higher. Alright, these are the numbers. And as I said earlier, you can see the same technology in some 4Runners, right? It was that generation from 2003, and they actually share the same parts. Definitely these air springs have the same numbers as a part number, right? And they are exchangeable with this 2004 Lexus GX470. GX470. So I hope you find this video interesting. It was just a little info, right, about this system and some numbers. And make sure you subscribe. I will always have more videos for you on this channel. I will be trying to film this replacement for you too. I will see how much access for the camera is there. And have a great day, my friend.